How red is the sunburn in this sentence? Let's make your comparisons a bit more engaging with some new degree adverbs. Let's first review comparatives. Comparatives are words that we use to compare two things. For example, we might say that one thing is bigger than another thing or that one thing is faster than another thing. These words are called comparatives because they show us how two things compare to each other. On the other hand, degree adverbs are words that we use to show the degree or extent of something. You've probably already learned that we can say something is very hot or extremely cold. These words help us to describe things in more detail. But what if we want to show the degree of something in a comparison? We can use degree adverbs like slightly, a bit, and much to modify comparatives in English so that we are a bit more nuanced in our descriptions. So, how do we use degree adverbs to modify comparatives? Well, it's actually pretty simple. We just put the degree adverb before the comparative in the sentence. For example, instead of saying that something is smaller than something else, we might say that it's slightly smaller. Or, instead of saying that something is bigger than something else, we might say that it's a bit bigger. Or, instead of saying that something is faster than something else, we might say that it's much faster. By putting the degree adverb before the comparative, we can show the degree or extent of the comparison. Let's take a look at a few more examples used in sentences. I bet her dog is much faster than mine. I bet her dog is much faster than mine. She's slightly more engaged in the conversation. She's slightly more engaged in the conversation. His fake laughter is a bit more convincing. His fake laughter is a bit more convincing. I'm much more scared of the dentist. I'm much more scared of the dentist. You can now create much more precise comparisons with degree adverbs. Great work, but don't stop now! Review the vocabulary related to this video or watch the C1 playlist to keep improving your skills.